Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make fields mandatory in Monday.com. So if you're using Monday.com and if you need to make a field mandatory, then you need to follow this video. And in this video, I'll tell all the necessary steps that are required to make a field mandatory. So you make a field mandatory when you need the data on it to be there. Nobody can skip that field and nobody can leave it as it is. A prime example of this is when you're making an order form, and if you need the email of the clients or the customers that you're working with, that is when you need a mandatory field for the email, because email is used for email marketing and guerrilla marketing. So that's why you need email at all the cost. So what most of the customers do, they just skip the email and they don't write any email. So most of the time that part goes out missing. But in order to make it mandatory, this is what you need to do. So you need to open a board that you're working on that requires or that contains actually an order form. So I'm going to open it right away. So this is the board that contains a form. I'm going to open this form and then I am going to edit it. So it's already in the editing mode. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here on email. And what do I need to do? I need to click here on question settings and turn this into a required field. Now this field will be mandatory to answer. Here you can see there's a red star on it. Red star usually means mandatory fields. So we are almost done. We can preview it. And here you go. You can see this field is mandatory and you need to answer this field no matter what. You can leave all of this empty. For the sake of example, you can leave all of this empty, but you need to answer this field at all cost. And then you can only submit. Without answering to this field, you can't submit this form. So that's how you make a field mandatory. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.